In this video I'm going to talk to you about using the system browser. The system browser is an important part of determining the relationships between components and the systems they are part of. It also enables you to identify and select the components, especially those not assigned to a system. There's several methods for opening the system browser, which any of these will work. One of the quickest and easiest is just press F9 on your keyboard. And you'll see it instantly pop up here on the right hand side. I'll close it down. Another way of doing this is right clicking in your screen, going down to browsers and then clicking on system browser. And a third way of doing this is going to your view tab, go across to the end user interface and then ticking the system browser box there. And each of them brings them the same item up. You can float this this browser. It doesn't have to be locked in your screen. You can pick it up and move it around the screen. Place it on a second monitor or anything like this, so as you've got maximum space on your main monitor. At the top here, it's got systems. We can also choose zones. This is used when we're doing HVAC analysis and it displays the appropriate details, but we're just going to stick with systems for now. When you're working with systems, you can concentrate on certain disciplines such as mechanical only, or you can have all disciplines in there. We'll just look at the mechanical at the moment. Components that are not being assigned yet will obviously show up here in unassigned items. So if we click on the plus box and we click on the item, you can also see it shows up here in the display, so you can see where it is in your model. If we click on this, you can also see that it shows up in the system browser. Now if these are all closed off, when you click on it, obviously it's in the unassigned, and you'll need to keep going down until you get to where you find it. If we click on the ones that have been assigned, such as these were created, if you remember, in an earlier video where we placed these at the correct system type as we installed them. We might need to zoom out to find them. This one down here, the Helen unit here. In the system browser, when you hover the cursor over the system name or select it, or select the individual component, it gets selected in the model as we've just shown, and vice versa. If we right click on a particular item, if you still can't find it in there, if you right click on a particular item and click show, it will take us straight to this in a zoom in. If we don't want this view, we keep on clicking show until it gives us another view. Otherwise we just close this one to accept it, and then we can zoom out and then we can clearly see exactly where that item is. If we happen to right click and click delete on this, not only will it delete it from the system, but it will delete it from the project as well. Completely gone.